How to disable touch vibrations on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you find the touch vibrations annoying or simply want to save some battery life, this tutorial is for you. Disabling touch vibration is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. This is where you can control various sound and vibration settings on your phone. Now, next tap on System Sound Vibration Control. Here you will see different options for system sounds and vibrations. Look for touch interactions and toggle it off to disable touch vibrations. Once you've turned off the touch vibration, you can exit the settings. Your phone will no longer vibrate when you touch the screen. If you want to disable vibration for your keyboard, follow these additional steps. Open any text field to bring up the keyboard. Tap on the settings icon on the keyboard and select settings. Go to preferences and toggle off haptic feedback on key press to disable keyboard vibration. And that's it. You've now learned how to disable touch vibration on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks like this.